Hello my dear kids. Today in this video we are going to learn 10 conversation questions and answers on what? So I am going to read 10 conversation questions. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite vegetable? What is your favorite pet animal? What is your favorite game? What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite wild animal? What is your favorite flower? What is your favorite book? What is your favorite country? So now let us have a conversation. So here we go. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is tomato.
What is your favorite pet animal?
My favorite pet animal is puppy.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What is your favorite wild animal?
My favorite wild animal is tiger.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is pink rose.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is toy book.
What is your favorite country?
My favorite country is India.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
So kids, I hope it is helpful to you. I will meet you with the next video. Till then, goodbye.